All right, it's on.
No,
Daddy, go up the steps to the top.
Okay. Come here. Come here, Cameron. Come on. You got it. Yeah. Come here. You're almost there. Come on. Where are you going? You going back down? Come on. Who can do it?
He say, I don't want to go all the way up.
Come on. Come to Daddy.
Say, I'm having fun right here. See how he goes back down.
Head first, buddy.
Come on.
Oh, you did it perfect the first time.
He's doing good. He says, I'm rethinking this. He's just succeeding in scaring the crap out of Papa.
No.
Cameron.
Watch your knees, Papa.
You're standing there too, Mama.
I've got the camera.
Hey, baby boy. Come here. Get up here. No.
Put his little riding toy up there with Daddy.
Yeah, you might come here.
Want to go up there and see it?
Mom. Come on.
Oh, good.